Today we're going to learn about citizen journalism. Citizen journalism is the sharing of news and information by the general public. It is usually done in the form of videos or written posts via social media platforms such as Twitter and Facebook. The reason why citizen journalism has become increasingly valuable over the years is because everyday people generally have smartphones, which means they're able to record a video of whatever is happening right in front of their eyes and immediately upload it to the social platforms. This is valuable because some things happen very incidentally and media crews simply don't have the time to make it on to location and report on the news that have happened, because by the time they actually get there, whatever was happening is now over. Citizen journalism can be both effective and valuable, it can also be damaging. Today we are going to explore 3 different examples of how citizen journalism can be effective or damaging. Okay, let's take a look.
People thought the toilet paper crisis was over, right? Wrong. Footage has emerged of several women fighting in a Sydney Woolworths. The video an instant hit online. Take a look.
So this is an example of how there was a person, an everyday person at the supermarket when this incident started to occur. They simply pulled out the camera and they started recording whatever happened. Obviously, if media outlets were alerted of this incident, by the time they actually got to the supermarket, that would have all been over. But the people that were present pulled out their phone, recorded the video, uploaded it to social media, and then many news outlets were able to take that video and use it as part of their broadcast of this issue. The second example we're going to talk about is Twitter. And this is actually one of the most famous tweets that have ever been posted. And we're going to talk about the meaning of it and why they're so popular. Sohaib Athar is an everyday person. He is an IT consultant, as it says into his bio. And he tweeted something that said, "Helicopter hovering above Abbottabad at 1 a.m. is a rare event." This was posted on 5:58 a.m. on May the 2nd, 2011. On May 2nd, 2011, the death of Osama bin Laden was reported by the media around the world. Osama bin Laden is or was a criminal who had done a lot of crimes over the years, and he was on the CIS most wanted list. On May 2nd, 2011, the CIA had organized a secret mission to murder Osama bin Laden. Obviously, they've taken a lot of preparation and a lot of thought in order to achieve this, as Osama bin Laden has been someone that's hidden quite well over the years. And this was a top secret mission because they really wanted to make sure it doesn't get out that this is something they're trying to do, which would essentially tip off Osama bin Laden and he would once again be able to escape or protect himself. So what this person reported is that helicopter hovering above Abbottabad at 1 a.m. is a rare event. So Abbottabad is actually a location in Pakistan, and that is where Osama bin Laden was hiding. So this person actually tweeted top secret information, which nobody else was aware of, and the killing of Osama bin Laden before even the news outlets knew that was something that was happening. In this case, it wasn't intentional. So Sohaib says that he didn't realize that's what he was tweeting. He was simply reporting on what he had noticed, which was the helicopter hovering at 1 a.m. in this location. Okay, so the third example that we're going to talk about is a map which was widely shared around the world, and it created a lot of panic and fear. So let's take a look at how this map was used by news outlets.
The global spread of coronavirus. This map shows the movement of 60,000 of the estimated 5 million people who got out of the Chinese city of Wuhan before it was placed into lockdown. Now, it shows that they have travelled to all parts of the globe. It comes as our government considers extending the travel ban beyond this Saturday for non-Australian residents coming from China.
This map that was actually showed by Sunrise is not a map which shows the travel of Wuhan citizens 2 weeks before lockdown. This is a map that actually shows the travel of Wuhan citizens back in 2009. This map is simply a changed map, so the colors have been changed in order to make it look a little bit different. And it was used completely incorrectly in order to drive panic and to drive fear amongst the people. So it was reported that this is a map which shows the travel that occurred out of Wuhan 2 weeks before lockdown, suggesting that the virus has spread to all of these locations. However, we now have learned that that map is actually the travel that occurred out of Wuhan in 2009. What's very interesting here is that this image was posted on Twitter initially by an everyday person, and that image was shared many times around the world from a variety of media sources. We are talking newspaper, we are talking TV, and we're talking radio as well. So all of these media outlets were actually reporting on false information, all because of one citizen posting an incorrect image onto Twitter saying that it was something that it wasn't.